Hi, I'm Steve Haynes, Head of Fitness here at Derby County. Here's a brief overview of the work we do here preparing the players for a Saturday game. I'm the Head of Fitness here at Derby County. We have Adam Burrows as the lead S&C coach, Henry as the Head of GPS Analyst. We also have Jonas Dodu as a performance coach and also Warren Bradley as a nutritionist. My role is to look after the fitness of the players, reporting to the manager and to the Head of Medical. So I work closely with Adam, Henry to report training data back to the manager and then to plan and implement field and off-field gym sessions. Adam is the lead S&C coach. Adam plans all of the off-field work, so that incorporates post-training gym sessions, also all of the pre-training work we do in here. So the lads are in here daily at 10 o'clock, that's half an hour before training starts. So that's depending on what day and what build-up we're doing to a game, the content of those sessions will vary.
I work predominantly in the gym, working on strength, power and areas of injury risk with players in order so that when they go outside they're in the best condition really to be able to deal with the training demands that they have to. From 10 o'clock onwards we then do activation with a whole group which is basically a session that prepares the players to go outside for training, but it's also used as a conditioner again as part of the whole programme. I think the most important part of activation is getting the players in the best possible shape so that when they go out on the training field they can maximise the session and get the most from that session as they can. We'd like to design the session so that it kind of crescendos in terms of intensity so that when we finish in here everybody feels good, ready to go, ready to sprint, ready to jump, do technical, tactical work, whatever it may be. But we need to make sure that everybody's ready to go, and that's the most important thing.
So when they finish activation, that was around about 25 past 10, I'll take them out onto the grass, I'll lead the warm-up. This will be dependent on what day we're in and also what the football session is going to involve. So then the warm-up is tailored to getting them ready for the football session. And then on certain days it's developing further physical capacities of the players that can improve their performance on the pitch. Henry's our GPS analyst. Henry records every training session we do outside onto the grass. That's with GPS, we're doing it live. That's done on match days as well, so we get match day values from the players. And then this data is periodised during the week. And this is then fed back to the manager during sessions and after sessions, so out with the plan of the football sessions.
So first thing in the morning what we do is we get the GPS units out in their place ready to go for training. Everything on field is monitored using these now, so we get all their physical data from every training session. So just put them out in their places, they put them on and head out to the pitch. During training I'm outside, close to the drills, clipping all the drills, giving live feedback to Steve, the fitness coach, and also the manager and any coaches who want to know what we've done so far, what a certain player has done, have we hit any targets that we wanted for that day. There's a lot you can collect, so it's more about condensing it down and putting it into something that we can use on a daily, weekly basis, and also that is going to give the coaches feedback that they understand and is helpful to them. The main metrics we look at are distance covered at certain speed zones, so high speed running, sprinting, accelerations, decelerations, and a number of other metrics. I think knowing exactly what the players have done means that you can really control their week a lot better, maximise their performance at the weekend and also minimise the risk of injury and fatigue.
The first aim is to improve performance. The manager's quite clear on what he wants in terms of the KPIs of the players on a match day. So the first priority is to be able to give them players to do that. We believe that injury reduction is a byproduct of good training. So that involves right the way down from pre-training to what they do in the warm-up, what they do in the field, and also what they do in the gym afterwards. So after every session, recovery is important. So we've got the cryotherapy chamber at the moment. So the lads will be using that post-sessions. They're aiming for improving recovery, helping sleep. So it's something we've got for the foreseeable future. We're doing some testing on that to see what kind of benefit we're finding from our players.
Players in general are very interested in what they're doing, and they want to know why they're doing the training that they're doing, which is good for us as coaches and good for them, because they know that they know what they're doing to develop their performance. The players are very smart in terms of how they take on what we do, and like I say, really make the most of it.
They all take a keen interest as well now, based on the training we do. A lot of them come in and ask, what have we done today? What speed have I hit? How much high intensity running have I done? I get loads of messages asking for what was my match stats, you know, from a physical point of view. So it's been really good because the players are actually taking interest in what they're doing.
They appreciate that. They're going to work hard on the Tuesday. That's our main work day, so they will work hard on the Tuesday. They know they're going to have a day off following that, and then coming in on Thursday ready to know that it's going to be a sharp session, short session. So intensity is still going to be there, but we're just going to reduce the volume, and that will continue on to Friday as well.